Never ever forget about your old leads. You're probably missing out on a bunch of clients because you're forgetting about your old leads. And the reason why I'm actually making this video today is because I got a message from a person I haven't heard from in like 6 months asking what my pricing was again. As you can see here, bro, can you remind me of your pricing? And I said depends and everything like that. But this really reminded me of how long it takes someone to go from cold to warm to cold to warm, if that makes sense. Okay, and I normally get these messages but 1 to 2 months after I've had a conversation or a call with a prospect. But 6 months really reminded me how long someone actually takes to go from cold to warm, as I just said. So in this video I just want to run you through quickly 2 things you can do to make sure old leads turn into new clients. Okay, and by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name's James, owner of Magnify Your Content Media. I literally help businesses like yours build content systems to save time and scale. And if you want my social proof, click the first link in the description and you'll be able to see proof. So just check that out if you want to. Okay, so first of all, one of the things you can do is keep creating content. Now, I don't think people realize how long it takes and how many times someone has to see you before they even consider buying from you. And I know for a fact this guy that messaged me, he's seen me quite a few times, and that's why he finally reached out again and was like, yo, tell me your pricing. And I was like, oh damn, I was actually surprised because I haven't heard from him in a long time. You don't realize how much you have to be in front of your prospect's face, so you keep continuing to create content even though that prospect was maybe on the first call or first convo weren't interested. You just need to keep providing that value on YouTube, Instagram, wherever you're posting on, and you just need to be in front of their prospect's face 24/7 so they're reminded of you, and when they do want to take that step, you will be top of mind. Because let's just say, for example, I stopped posting, this guy probably would have forgot about me and was like, oh, and then maybe in the future they would have remembered me, but then it's too late. But because I was in front of his face 24/7, kept on posting, I also knew for a fact he was viewing my stories, so I knew he was actually seeing my content. That's what led me to be top of mind, and then he reached out like that. And as I said, I normally get those messages, but only 1 to 2 or even a couple weeks after we have a call. And the reason that I'm creating this video about this one is because it was 6 months, probably even longer than 6 months since I last had a conversation with him. And I was like, damn, okay. people have to take a lot of time before they even consider buying from you and see a lot of content. So while they're deciding and while they're warming up, you just really need to keep creating that content, and so you're top of mind. Okay, and the second thing is what I could have what I should have done really. I do this now, but I didn't when he first came into my kind of ecosystem. I didn't have him down. Is use a CRM or track your leads in a sheet, and this allows you to reach back out to them and these people a couple of months down the line to see if they're ready or not. Okay, and also you can send over some free value to just warm them up even more. But you can either use your CRM. I'm talking to businesses, so you probably do have a CRM, or you can use just a tracking sheet to track all your leads, and then have a stage if you've offered the call, if they're warm, if they're offered the call but not booked in a call, or if they booked in a call, if you had the call and then you need to follow up with them, and then you can set a date for when you need to follow up with them, and you can set automations up where it reminds you to follow up with them. But yeah, those are the 2 main things that you can actually do. Use a CRM, or you can keep creating content to be in front of their face 24/7 and let them reach out to you, or track whoever's you've reached out to, a warm lead, track them and keep reaching out to them until they either block you or buy from you. Okay, so I just really wanted to make this video to remind you, never ever forget about old leads. Keep on creating that content. Keep on, even if you do have a CRM and you also have a tracking sheet where you're tracking these prospects, send them your value. So let's just say, for example, you created a YouTube video and you're like, okay, this probably would help so and so. Send it to them, okay? Especially these people who've hopped on a call with you before but haven't bought from you yet. So they're really warm, but they just didn't want to at that time. It may be a different time now, and they may want to, especially when they see the value you're providing. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to create this video because I got that message and I was like, damn, it's actually taken him quite a long time to go from cold to really, really warm. And I just wanted to remind you guys to never ever forget about old leads. Keep on providing that value. Keep on reaching out to these people until they either block you or buy from you, because I guarantee you there's clients watching you, well, potential clients watching your content right now, and you don't even know it. Like, there's probably clients right now that you have hopped on a call with before and didn't close them. They're probably watching your content right now. They're seeing the social proof you're putting out there. They're seeing the value you're giving, and they're just on the edge and of buying from you. But if you just disappear, they're never going to buy from you. But if you keep providing that value, keep on doing it, they're eventually going to be like, okay, let's get started. I've seen enough and I want to get started. Okay, so yeah, I hope you got some value from this video. Thought I'd make this quick video just to remind you, never ever forget about your old leads, and always try and do your best to get them back in the kind of like ecosystem and convert them into paying clients. But again, I hope you got some value from this, and if you enjoyed this video and want to watch more videos like this, you can check out the videos above. And if you want a full personal branding course, check out the second link in the description and it will take you to that free course. But hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.